In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your password using the Sherry Leem, Atlassian.net profile, and Atlassian's account settings. This simple and important task can help keep your account secure, and we'll be walking through each step of the process to ensure you feel confident and safe. First, you'll want to navigate to your Jira profile. To do this, open your preferred web browser and type in sherryleem.atlassian.net. Log in if you're not already, and once you're on the home page, locate the menu where you can see your profile picture or icon and click on it. It will take you directly to your user profile page. Once you're on your profile page, the next step is to click on your profile. This might seem redundant, but it ensures you're accessing the correct settings related to your account. Take a moment here to familiarize yourself with the layout. Knowing where everything is can be helpful later on. With your profile open, look for the account settings option. This is where you'll find more detailed information about your account. It's like the command center for everything related to your user experience in Atlassian. Clicking here will take you into a deeper level of customization and configuration for your account. Next up, you'll need to access the Security tab. This step is crucial because security settings are where you can modify and update password information. Be on the lookout for any additional security features you might want to explore or enable, such as two-factor authentication, which can add an extra layer of protection. Now it's time to update your password. In the security settings, you will be prompted to enter your current password. This step is critical for security reasons. It's a way for the platform to verify that it's indeed you making these changes. Make sure to enter it carefully to avoid any mishaps. After entering your current password, you'll see fields to type in your new password. When creating your new password, it's important to use a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols to make it strong and hard to guess. Use a password manager if you need assistance generating or remembering your passwords. Finally, click on Save Changes to apply your new password. Once you've done this, you'll want to log out and log back in using your new credentials to ensure everything is working smoothly. Remember, keeping your password updated regularly is a good habit to maintain for optimal security. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your password using the sherryleem.atlassian.net interface and Atlassian's account settings. This simple task is a great step towards securing your account from potential threats. Thanks for watching, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions. Stay secure.